welcome to the breaking news. Today, I am Putri Wulandari, will accompany you for the next 3 minutes, listening to the latest and hottest news. Okay viewers, let's start the news. A number of areas in the KA Jakarta and its surroundings were reported to be flooded Saturday, 20 February 2021. As of Saturday afternoon, the floods at several points had not subsided. As a result, thousands of families were forced to flee to the posts provided by the local disaster management agency BPBD. Not only that, traffic in the areas affected by the flood was paralyzed because the overflow of water disturbed a number of roads. Residents of the capital city are reminded to remain vigilant because there is still tap potential for heavy rain until February 25, 2021. Geophysic BMKZ Dwi Korita Karnawati said BMKZ has predicted that the Jabodetabek area will experience heavy rain with rainfall intensity between 100 to 150 mm on 18 to 19 February 2021. He said the highest rainfall occurred for the weather condition in the next week. BMKZ predicts that all regions of Indonesia will still have the potential for heavy rain, accompanied by lightning and strong winds, until February 25, 2021. As for the areas that experience heavy rain, namely Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra, South Sumatra, Banten, DKI Jakarta, almost all areas in the island of Kalimantan and Sulawesi, Maluku, North Maluku, Papua, and West Papua. That's the news that we can deliver today. I am Putri Wulandari. Thank you this morning, and see you at the same time and even tomorrow.